Hi, I'm Ron Bamieh. Often we hear about cases where people have been injured by some government entity, whether it's the police department for brutal force, whether it's a city truck for hitting them while they're riding their bike, whether it was a city employee who did something wrong to them, or a state employee, or the federal government who wronged them in some way. And people want to know, well, how do I perfect a claim against the government? Well, the first thing we want to know about that claim is when it occurred, because the government claims have strict statute of limitations. What that means is that you have a specific period of time of when you can file your claim against the government. And you must file what they call an administrative law claim before you can sue. And you have to file, in most cases, within 6 months of your injury or knowledge of your injury. And it's a really strict rule. So before we even get into the fact of how you were hurt, we want to know when you were hurt, how long you've known you were hurt. And if you're within that 6-month period, then we want to know more. We want to know the details of that accident or of that injury, how it was incurred, why a government official is responsible for that injury. And we need the client to articulate it and tell us how it happened exactly. And once we have that information, then we know whether or not we have a case, a valid case against the city, county, or state government agency. Here at Bamieh Erickson, we've sued the cities, the counties, and the state repeatedly. Matter of fact, it's probably one of our main sources of lawsuits now at our firm. And if you have such a claim and you have questions about that claim, you need to talk to a lawyer right away. The clock is literally ticking on your claim. And once that 6-month mark expires, the law is very strict. You may not be able to file your lawsuit at all. You may be barred from filing a lawsuit, matter of fact. So please, if you were injured at the hands of a city, county, state, or federal worker, or federal agency, please call our offices right away and sit down and talk to one of our lawyers. And we'll let you know if you have a claim, and we'll let you know if your claim is still valid. Thank you.